Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive money on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application. Then, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to receive. You will need to find your unique wallet address for that asset. This address is crucial for the sender to send funds directly to your wallet. Always double-check the asset and network. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, tap the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address, often as a long string of characters and a QR code. You can easily copy this address to your clipboard or share the QR code directly with the person sending you funds. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own distinct address. It's incredibly important to verify that the cryptocurrency and network you've selected match what the sender is sending. For example, sending BNB on the Binance Smart Chain versus the Ethereum network requires different addresses. Sending funds to an incorrect address can lead to irreversible loss. Also, some assets like XRP need a memo or destination tag. After the sender confirms they've sent the funds, you can check your Trust Wallet balance. Cryptocurrency transactions aren't always instant. They might take a few minutes or sometimes longer, depending on network congestion. You can also review your transaction history within the app to see the incoming transaction details and its current status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.